Hey everyone, welcome back to our trading series. Today, in episode 46, we're tackling Etoro How to Short. If you're new here, I'm your guide to making sense of trading platforms, and short selling is a powerful strategy for when you think a stock's price is about to drop. Let's jump right in. First off, what's short selling? It's basically betting against an asset. Instead of buying low and selling high, you sell high and buy low later. On Etoro, this is straightforward and user-friendly, but remember, it's risky. More on that soon. Why use Etoro for this? It's got a sleek interface, social trading features, and zero commission on many trades, making it ideal for beginners and pros alike. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Log into your Etoro account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's free and quick. Once you're in, head to the Trade section and search for the asset you want to short, like a stock or cryptocurrency. Step 2. Select the asset and click Trade. You'll see options for buy or sell. Choose Sell to go short. Set your parameters, decide on the amount, leverage if you're using it, and set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Etoro makes this easy with visual tools. Step 3. Double-check everything. Review your position size based on your account balance, and hit Open Trade. Boom! You're short. Keep an eye on the market because prices can swing fast. A quick word on risks. Short selling can lead to unlimited losses if the price goes up instead of down, so always use Etoro's demo account to practice first. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Shorting on Etoro in a nutshell. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, and trade smart.